What's up, my people? So I come here with very great news. There is an African country. There is an African country who is gradually reshaping Africa. Truth be told, reshaping. When I mean reshaping, they're doing a very great job to the African economy. They want Africa to grow, Africa to be independent. They want Africa to be independent. They don't want Africa to depend on foreign countries, European countries and all whatnot. They are going to cry. The Europeans are really going to cry. They are going to cry because they are going to miss a lot from Africa. They are no longer going to come to Africa and take their raw materials and go and refine them elsewhere, you get, and then still resell them again to Africa. So Africans are beginning to wise. Africa is a very big continent. They have a lot of potential, and Nigeria is taking the lead. Nigeria is taking the lead. Nigeria is leading in everything. Nigeria is helping Africa to reshape, to grow economically. You understand? So the richest person in Africa, one of the richest person in Africa, Aliko Dangote, is presently building a fertilizer plant factory in Ethiopia worth $2.5 billion. It's not easy. Worth $2.5 billion. He's gradually reshaping. He's building this refinery in Ethiopia so that they should stop depending on European imports. They should stop importing. If you want to import, they should import a little quantity, less quantity. You get less quantity of products from the European world. So the Europeans are crying because Dangote is really doing a great job. Nigeria is doing a great job. Do you know what it means to build a 2.5 billion fertilizer factory? 2.5 billion fertilizer factory that has a capacity of 650,000. You get, that's a capacity of 650,000, and they'll be producing that per year. They'll be producing 3 million tons of urea per year. This factory will be producing 3 million of urea per year. It is very important. Dangote is doing a very, very great job. He is gradually reshaping Africa. Economic growth is rising. The African economic growth is rising. Africa will no longer be dependent on European goods any longer. You get? And Aliko Dangote has the biggest refinery in Africa, which is located in Lagos, the biggest refinery in Africa, and it is among it is the 7th biggest refinery in the world. Dangote's refinery in Lagos, Nigeria, you get, is the biggest refinery in Africa, and then is the 7th biggest refinery in the world. And he has created a lot of impact. That refinery, the oil refinery, has created a lot of impact. Everything is being refined in Lagos. Everything is done in Lagos. You get Lagos, Nigeria, and it's in Africa. It is in Africa. So Dangote and Nigeria, they are not doing just for their own benefit, but they are gradually reshaping the growth of Africa. They don't want Africans or other African countries to depend on foreign imports. They want them to be independent, to have the knowledge that they have the right to do things on their own. They can refine their products on their own. An example of a country that does things now on their own is Burkina Faso. The president of Burkina Faso is doing a great job. Everything now is being done in his country. No sending out of raw materials, no exporting raw materials to refine and then bring back. No, everything is done in their country. It is very important. Nigeria is taking the lead. Nigeria is leading. Aliko Dangote is leading. You get? Nigeria is leading. Aliko Dangote is leading. And there's another billionaire, another African billionaire in Nigeria. They are called the IHS founders. You understand? They have thousands of telecom towers across Africa. Thousands of telecom towers. Means they invest in other African countries in the telecom, in the tech, in many African countries. For example, they invest in Cameroon, in Rwanda, in Zambia, in Ivory Coast. You get? So they are out to make a change in Africa. gradually reshaping Africa. Gradually, it's a gradual process, and we are going to get there. Africa is a very big continent, very big, and they need to do things on their own. They should not depend on Europeans, because Europeans are exploiting Africa. They are exploiting the African countries, exploiting them, which is not good. That is why Nigeria is taking the lead. Once the Nigeria wants African leaders to see that they are able to do things on their own without depending on any European country, the Europeans are going to cry. I bet you they are going to cry, because their reserves will be dry. No money is getting dry. Their currency reserves are getting dry gradually, because they don't know where to go, to what to do. Africa is gradually shifting away from the Europeans, gradually shifting away from them. Do you know what it means for Aliko Dangote to build refinery in Nigeria, build a fertilizer factory in Ethiopia? It's a very great opportunity. You get. And one, do you know what is happening? There is going to be job opportunities. All this building of refineries and infrastructures are going to bring job opportunities for locals in the economy. It's going to boost the economy. Every country's economy is going to boost every country's economy, especially in Nigeria. That refinery has employed thousands of people and is boosting their economy. Same as the fertilizer factory that is being built in Ethiopia by Aliko Dangote, who has joined with the Ethiopian government, is going to bring about job opportunities, job employment. You get, making the locals to have jobs and grow the economy. Nigeria is leading, is moving ahead. They are leading. They are reshaping Africa. They want Africa to be independent. They no longer want Africa to depend on the imports of Europeans. They don't want them to import things any longer. You get, they don't want them to import things any longer. Nigerians are doing a great job. Aliko Dangote is doing a great job, and other billionaires in Africa are gradually investing in their country and investing in other African countries. They are investing in other African countries because why? They want other African countries to grow as they are growing. They don't want just Nigeria to grow, but they want other African countries to grow, and this is going to increase the intertrade between African countries. The intertrade between Africa is going to boost the economy of Africa. The intertrade between African countries is going to boost the economy of Africa. You get. So if a country needs petrol, it's going to go directly to Nigeria to get that, and at a very low price. You understand? Not that expensive, because importing from abroad is very, very expensive. They'll give high taxes and all whatnot. But now, just you ordering from another African country is really going to be less cheaper. You get. So Aliko Dangote is really doing a great job, really doing a great job. And then don't forget, the Dangote cement is a center backbone of his empire, because he's using that Dangote cement. He's distributing it all over Africa. They're using that Dangote cement to construct very beautiful buildings, lovely buildings, strong buildings, and developing the country. Africa is gradually changing, and Nigeria is leading, is making them to wise up. Wise up, my people. Wise up, Africa. You people have a lot of potential. There's a lot of potential in you people, and Nigeria is leading. Please follow Nigeria. Follow what they are doing. There are other billionaires in other countries. Follow what Nigerians are doing. Follow what Aliko Dangote is doing. He is making a lot. He is trying as much as possible to reduce African dependency on European imports. You get. He's trying as much as possible for Africa to know that no, you people have everything you need to develop yourself. Everything you need to develop yourself. So Africa has to grow. It's a gradual process, and Nigeria is leading. It is a gradual process. Nigerians, you people are always creating good impact anywhere you go to. Positive impact anywhere you go to. Please make sure other African countries to follow this example. Other billionaires in African countries. Please make sure you invest in your country and invest in other African countries as well, to boost the economy. to boost the African economy. The African economy is going to grow higher and higher, higher and higher. People need to come together. Africa is united. Africa has to be united. You get? So Nigeria is leading. Aliko Dangote is leading the way. He is seriously leading the way. He wants Africa to change, Africa's growth to increase. Europeans and whites, they are crying. They are crying because their reserves are getting dry. They don't know what to do, where to go, who to meet so that they can extract materials from them. African presidents are wise now. No, I'm telling you, they are wise. Please, they are wise, and Aliko Dangote is doing a very, very great job creating job opportunities. You get? Creating job opportunities. People no longer stay without having jobs. Um, Creating job opportunities, increasing the economic growth locally. Locals will be able to have a lot of money to increase their living standards, work, the economic growth of each country will increase. And then this is going to increase the intertrade between African countries. You understand? The intertrade between African countries, and thereby developing Africa's growth as a whole. The economy of Africa is going to be massive. You understand? Nigeria is gradually shifting the economic power to Africa. Nigeria is gradually shifting its economic power to Africa. They no longer want to depend on the importation of stuffs again from the Europeans. No, they want to do things on their own. So Nigeria is leading. They are doing things on their own, and it's a very, very good thing. I love that. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.